continue with our science class. Do you remember we were doing chapter 12, air, water and weather? Let us continue with a new topic in this chapter. Today we are going to learn what is wind, breeze and storm. In this video, you are going to watch some of the video clips in which we can understand the difference between wind, breeze and storm. So let us begin today's class.
Children, can you hear the rustling of leaves? Can you think of something what makes these leaves sway and rustle? Do you know how these windmills move? Can you guess, children? What has caused so much of destruction if you see these pictures carefully? Maybe it is due to the air. Let us learn how. When the air is calm, nothing moves. It is the air which makes the things move, whether plants or trees. Moving air is called wind. Sometimes you have seen air moving very gently, and sometimes you must have seen the branches waving, and many times you must have experienced and seen the trees blowing away with a strong force of air. You also must have seen that during rainy season you can see blown down trees, houses and electric poles. Do you know, children, why does all these things happen? All these things happen due to the movement of the air. Have you seen the clothes moving gently on a clothesline? And do you know what makes these clothes move gently? It is the air. The air which slowly and gently moves the clothes which are hung on the clothesline is called a breeze. On a pleasant day, if you have visited any park or a garden, you must have seen and felt a gentle wind which is blowing. Can you see the flowers here that are waving and moving gently? It is because of the gentle wind which is blowing. This is called a breeze, which blows gently. Children, when the wind blows very strongly, we experience a storm. A storm is very dangerous. It's a very strong force of air that may cause a lot of damage to the life and property. It may uproot the trees. It can blow away the rooftops, as you can see here. Sometimes if the boundaries or the walls are not very strongly built, it may blow away those walls also. Those walls also collapse during a very strong force of wind, which is called a storm. We may experience different types of storms in different seasons. We may also experience sandstorms in a desert. We may also experience a storm in places which receives heavy snowfall. Now let us read the paragraph from our book, Windy and Cloudy Days. Moving air is called wind. Children, whenever you come across any word in the book which is dark in color, do check the keywords along with their meanings which are given at the end of the chapter in the book. Now let us read further. When the wind blows slowly, it is called a breeze. So gentle and slow winds are called breeze. Strong winds usually accompanied by lightning, thunder, rain or snow is called a storm. Here the meaning of accompanied means these winds usually blow when there is thunder, heavy rainfall or heavy snowfall and lightning in the sky. These days you must have experienced the clouds moving when it is raining heavily. So how do they move? They move really fast when you look at the sky, the dark clouds. So that is how the strong wind force is. Now let us read further. Storms can cause a lot of damage. The storms can destroy our surroundings, maybe the houses, maybe the trees, any type of landforms they can destroy which are weak because of the force. The sun appears to hide on cloudy days. Now, whenever you see a lot of clouds in the sky, you cannot see the sun and feel the sharp and strong light of the sun. The sky is full of clouds. Now, how do you feel when the sky is full of clouds? It is cooler on windy and cloudy days than on sunny days. So how do we feel on cloudy days? We feel a little colder and cooler when there is a sun, but it appears to hide behind the clouds, and when the clouds are not there, it's a bright sunny day, you feel much warmer. Children, do read this portion from your book to summarize today's learning. Also go and check out the weather. How is the weather and how are you feeling today? Are you feeling cooler or are you feeling warmer or a little humid? It is because of the change in the weather. Do check out today's weather.